AAMC 4-column theory is one of the biggest game changers a lot of our students have learned in their pursuit of higher MCAT CAR scores. So here's how this basically works. The AAMC wants you to get into a 50-50 scenario in a lot of CARS questions. A lot of students can note that on the real exam and on a lot of practice exams, 50-50 questions are the rule of thumb. Now, the reason why AMC wants to do this has been explored in other videos, so we won't go into that. But basically, in order to get you to that 50-50 situation, they have a pretty standard way of building their questions. Now, are every single one of their questions going to follow this format? No. But the 4 columns, or the 4 different types of answer choices, are going to be very present throughout a lot of their material. Here's how this works. One of the answer choices are usually going to be very quickly able to be eliminated. They're basically just false. Next up, you have an answer choice that's true but irrelevant. It just doesn't answer the question well. That's also a fairly easy elimination. And on most medium to hard and ultra hard level questions, you're going to get into a situation where you have 2 answers. Typically, these answers are true, so it's hard to eliminate them. You're going to have to use passage-based evidence that we teach in our Module 2, which is basically how to answer questions in a strict, standardized way in order to maximize results. Using that passage evidence, you're then going to have to decide between A and B to see which one is more relevant, or rather answers the question better than the other one. In this case, A is not only true, but it answers the question. It's more relevant. Not to say B is a wrong answer, A is just a better answer. So the 4-column theory is very advanced, and you can find a lot of the sample lessons for it in our free strategy set, which is also part of Module 0 and our CARS course. So feel free to check that out and see if any of the concepts there can help you push your CARS score even higher. If you like this content, visit us at mcatsavior.com for more tips and tricks and to get all of our strategy courses for free.